Another option for your Regal Ideas stairs is a glass picket system. The glass picket system works off of the exact same measurements as any other pickets, which is 28 5/8 from your universal brackets. Now when you open up your package of the glass, you're going to find a bunch of different gaskets as well as your glass pickets. You've got a bottom spacer and a top spacer. You want to make sure that the black is on the bottom. You also have your two different glass gaskets. One is clear and one is black. So you want to make sure that the clear goes on top and the black goes on the bottom. And finally, you've got your glass pickets.
In addition to what comes in the box for this installation, you'll also need a drill, self-tapping color match screws, a tape measure, and a pencil. So for the glass picket installation, it's going to be almost exact same as your regular pickets. You want to put them in place first, then space it out so you have even spacing off the posts, and then cut your finals and drop them in. So we'll start with the glass gaskets. Make sure the black ones go on the bottom. And then the clear gasket goes on the top. For extra hold, you can also add a bead of exterior grade silicone or exterior grade construction adhesive just into the glass gasket. That way you know the two are bonded together. Another thing is to make sure you always have the logos faced in the same direction. We like to put them at the bottom. And then it's time for your spacers. Again, you want to make sure the black is on the bottom. And the clear is up top. Perfect. Now we're going to make our measurements off our posts to make sure we're nice and straight. 2 inches. And 2 inches. Perfect. Now we'll cut our final spacers and lock everything into place. When cutting your final spacers, it's always best to take an offcut of your bottom rail, click this into place. Now you can hold on to this when you're making your cut. When you're cutting these, make sure you go nice and slow. It's a hard plastic, so if you try to go fast through it, it will start to crack and could break the piece you're trying to use. Now when you do your bottom spacer, you're going to want to pull out this screw that goes through the bracket first. Put the spacer in place. And then you're going to put the screw back in. That's going to go into that spacer to lock it in. The final step is to add one color match screw into each spacer. You're going to want to go on the top side of the bottom spacers and on the bottom side of the top spacers. That's going to lock the whole system together and finish it off. And there you have it. Nice solid 6mm tempered stair glass railing. It's going to keep your view alive, easy to install, even easier to maintain.